I decided to study at Aberystwyth because it's just such a beautiful area. You've got the sea there, you've got mountains, you've got lovely places to walk.
I came to 3 open days and all 3 of them I didn't leave not feeling satisfied. All the lectures were very welcoming. It just made me really want to come back.
When I read the description for the course, it seemed to be written with a lot of passion and drive.
If you're looking for a course that helps you develop and opens up many doors for you, psychology is the one for you.
Once you sort of tour the facility and see the sort of technology we have available, it's a really interesting and opens up doors to a lot more research that I didn't really think I could get over universities.
There are modules that purposely do aim to challenge what psychology is, what your perspective of psychology is, and I think it's just a really good way to broaden your horizons.
So there's the stuff that you need to cover for the BPS accreditation, but you also get to choose. So in first year you get an applications module which gives you a taste of everything. With second year and third year you get to tailor it more to yourself, and with the dissertation as well you get to choose your topics, so it's tailored to you.
It's a lot of peering behind the curtain of what actually is going on in society, whether it be advertising or relationships.
My favourite aspect is the way you can choose your modules. They really make sure that you get all the information that you need.
You are learning about science, you're learning about yourself, you're learning about the environment.
I came here wanting to do forensics and now I'm thinking of so many other things. Come to an open day, talk to the students in yellow t-shirts, they'll tell you anything and everything you want to know.
We say there's this our bubble that once you're here you won't really want to leave, but that's the case because it's just so lovely, and on very sunny days there won't be a day where you don't want to go and sit on the beach.
Before I came to Aberystwyth I was actually set in stone that I wanted to do forensic psychology. It's actually opened my eyes to how many other things there are that I didn't even realise existed. Now I'm in a position where I don't actually mind where I go as long as I'm happy in what I'm doing.